Hi guys, I am Hitesh and I am here today with this product which is MemberVio and what the problem this product will solve. Actually, if you are creator, if you are knowledge provider, if you are teacher, if you are any type of the business member, if not business member, even if you are a CEO or running any type of the business and something like that, you have many employees in your company. So just because of that thing, you can go ahead with this product because you can provide each and every person a specific member access area. Okay, something like login by using login credentials and all, something like virtual office. So member access area, which means you can provide some courses, okay, for students, for learners, for entrepreneurs. And if you are running any type of the company or something like that, so you can maintain virtual, actually you can provide each and every member virtual office by using their login credentials so that they can watch their progress, their all data and something like that. So this is member view, guys. This is access area, member access area. We will discuss each and everything about this. Okay, so I'm going to review this one. Each and every feature we will discuss. I will try to create one member access area site, membership site. Okay, something like course and all. So we will see this, we will see that, and later you can decide what this product is going to fit for you or not. So guys, this is, you can see, these are some competitors of this product, which is MemberVio. So if you are creator, if you are something course provider, knowledge provider, okay, by taking some fees and something like that, so you will need any type of the membership site. So if you go for this which is Kajabi, here you can choose 14 days free trial, but later you have to pay this much, you have to pay this much amount, which you can see in front of you. Okay, so for even if you go for basic, okay, you have to pay this amount for monthly, only for three product only, guys. Okay, three pipeline and all these features you will get, you can see here. Okay, and if you want to increase some products and pipeline, so that you have to go for another plans and you have to pay more for that. Okay, so this is member view, same things you are going to get inside this. And what problem this product will solve, I already told you. So we will discuss each and everything, guys. So this is dashboard. Here one option is missing, one feature is missing, which is Smart Academy. Okay, in Smart Academy, you will see complete tutorials. Okay, too many videos are there so that you can follow step by step each and everything. Okay, I'm attaching that video on my page so that you can go and you can see that. Okay, so right now we are just going to create one product or something like membership, something like membership access site, so that you will see and you will understand how it will work and how it can be useful for you. So this all things, like for example, this is dashboard. Okay, nothing here right now because I didn't do anything in details. If you click here, this is account setting, you can some changes all password, something like that. Okay, see future your profile coupons you can create. Okay, so if you someone will, okay, if someone will type this coupon and apply this one at the time of checkout, so he or she will get something discount on your particular products. Okay, this is invoice and transaction history. Directly you can see inside your member access. Okay, so this is something like that. So this is integration, so that you can integrate some other different tools. Okay, Aweber and something like that. Okay, so we will discuss this later. Before this, we will discuss these features and we'll go ahead step by step. Media manager and everything. Let me show you what is inside. This media manager means file upload, like photos, videos, audios. Okay, something like that. So you can put here and you can use anywhere in this options. Okay, uploader, it's, you can just browse and you can upload and you can put your any type of the, okay, so you can put any type of your file, photo or anything. Okay, so I just clicked on this. So let me show you what is come in front of you. I'm just using this one. Okay, Ferrari car, this is have, so I'm just using this one. Generally I use many times this thing, but okay, yes, it's done from my side. So let me see where it is actually. So no worry, this is uploaded and I don't know where I have to switch this modified size type image JPEG and where it is saved. So we will discuss on it later. Right now I'm just looking for this. So okay guys, team member, team manager. Okay, so you that you can add some more team members and something like that. So now I'm just going to this smart funnel. So what you can do, you can create some funnels like others, like click funnels. Okay, so step by step, people will go to the one page to another page, something like bridge pages and all. If someone purchase or check out for one product, so you can just go for, you can just show them any type of OTOs or upsells, something like that. Okay, this will be something like that. So I'm not going much deeper with this because this is much important, because we are talking here about membership sites, something course and something like that. So you can do that here. So I'm just clicking on this and let me show you how it is possible. See here, product builder option, just click on that. Okay, I'm telling you, I'm just trying to create membership site, and you have to see and you have to just understand this is going to fit for you or not. Okay guys, so it's downloading. This is new product. You can see some products are already available here. After creating, if you have any mind, if you want to change your mind, you can go ahead by edit and you can just do that. So I'm just going to new product, choose product type. So let's see, membership product, because digital product is too much easy. You have to just put your file or any type of some pre-made videos and you can sell it out later. Okay, sell it out outside on any marketplace. So I'm just going for this. Here you can see the some physical products option is also available. When this option will be available, then you can go ahead for e-commerce websites, something like Shopify and WooCommerce, just like same this type of the things. Now going for this membership product, and let's just click on this next step. Product name is, for example, CPA marketing, for example. Okay, description, complete step by step course, for example. Okay, so CPA marketing course, product image. Okay, let me try. Actually, I don't have, but just try if I have something. Uh, if I have any for CPA. Just leave this. I'm just using this one. Okay, just for demo purpose. You can just crop again according to you. So I'm just taking only car option. Okay, and just confirm it from here, and it's done. Okay, it's uploading. And 5 words, something like that. Okay, so I did all these things. Image has been successfully uploaded. I'm just putting me here so that you can see each and everything. Product support link, for example, I don't have any link right now, but I am just want to using this one. For example, just showing you, just to show for you. So this URL is not valid, so I'm just putting this one. Cancellation and refund policy. Okay, you have to create page for refund policy and all, something like that. Okay, it's too much easy and you have to just put that page here. Okay, because it's too much easy, because if you are selling some membership access area, any type of digital product, courses, something like that, so you will need this. Okay, so you have to create by your own. Where you have to click, you go to the blogger. Okay, just let me show you. It will take 1 minute more only. Blogger, or you can just go ahead with this and you can create one page here, guys. It's too much easy. Okay, so I think we should go ahead. See, okay, if I change this, because I'm using blogger website from my different ID, so if I change this, so yes, you can create blog from here. Okay, you can create blog from here. You can create some pages more, and easily it will be done, guys. Okay, so I'm not going much deeper with this. I'm just coming back here, and you can just put your refund and policy and something like that here, and it will be done. Okay, it is required. Okay, so I'm just putting same page here. Okay, you can just on and off this one. So just do it on. Next step, please select one of your payment provider. So I'm using this one, the free and something like that. For example, add price variant. But guys, don't worry, you will get all option, PayPal and all that type of option you will get. No worry about that. Okay, this is for showing purpose, so that is why one option is coming here. But no worry, when you will purchase this one, you will get PayPal, Stripe, all options. Okay, so for example, I use this one at variant, one time price, and also you can add something or all things according to your choice, except payment. Okay, so I'm just going next step. Price name, CPA course, description, just putting anything, and price is one time. Yes, one time is okay. Price is $75, or make blacklist score. Okay, you can do that. Okay, four you can do. Who can purchase? Public, obviously. Product number is required. Okay, so 1734245, for example. Okay, just for example, and this will be your URL, guys. Okay, so I'm not going for this one right now. I'm just clicking next step, and I think this is done. Okay, some actions, let me show you. Customer options, missed sub. Okay, you can do all these things. Okay, on your, but right now we are just going for basic, just to understand what will come. Okay, price variants, then do this and all. Actually, this option is not coming, but let me show you customer access to other product. I'm just removing this action, and I'm just going for next step. Yes, and after purchasing, after checkout, okay, if you want to provide some welcome email, so you can go ahead something like this, okay, and you can just do this, okay, and your product will be now created. It's done. Product name was, yes, you can see here, CPA marketing course, okay. If you want to change something, so that you can edit here, and after click on that button, you can create some modules. See, here is modules. Modules means step-by-step videos, okay, video number 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. So I'm just showing you one module. Module name is intro, okay. Thumbnail will be the same, and let's see, put description, guys, whatever. Okay, not too much easy, and just you can create your module. Okay, see, actually I put only image here. You have to put video. Okay, so when you put video, when you will put video here, let me save this one. When you will put video here, it will look like video number 1, 2, 3, 4, something like this. This is intro. Okay, and everyone can click after come finishing this completely. Now this is lesson number 2. Again, you can go ahead for intro and now advanced version, or maybe it intermediate. Okay, so you can again create second one thing. Okay, lesson name, it's okay, done or not. This is intermediate. Okay, you can publish this one. Okay, it's already published. Okay, you can edit this one from here. For example, video number 2. So how you will do this, all this, you can just go for this. You can embed video. Okay, for example, YouTube. So right now I don't have any type of the YouTube link. You have to just put here and it will be saved. Okay, so it will look like others. Let me show you, for example, because it will look perfect if I do that type of things. Okay, if I will do this, so it will look like perfect. So it will be too much understandable for you. And just let me show you. Actually, today my internet is taking too much time for uploading, downloading, something like that. But no worry, I will go ahead. For example, this is my charm. Okay, just for example, I'm just using this one, and what you have to do, just embed code. You have to take just embed code. So just click on here. Okay, let me show you. Actually, it is taking too much time, but if you want perfect knowledge, inside knowledge, so you have to wait for each and everything, and later you will be able to understand product is going to important for you or not. So I just clicked on this embed. So what is happening actually? Now this is embed code. Copy from here and just come back here. And when you click on this, this is embed code, put here and save it. Okay. So now this video will come here. See this complete video come here. Okay. So that's how you will do all these things. So right now you can save from here, but I want some, for example, if you want to add some multiple choice questions, so you can do this from here. So with this I want to do that, for example, just for showing you. So just click here and worksheet name, homework, for example, homework. Okay, select questions. So I want some multiple choice questions, so you can just add to worksheet. Okay, and you can do many things. For example, your questions, you can put some options here. Okay, uh, how many EPA offers you running? Okay, for example, so you can put question number, option number one, option number two, option number three, five, or okay, and just save this. So this three option will look like this. Okay, with your content. Okay, my content is here, which I already shown you. Okay, that video. Okay, where it is gone, I don't know, but this is for just for showing you. Okay guys, so don't take it too much easy, but it will be work for you each and everything. I'm just saving this one, and let me show you my content again. But I think okay, I have this code. Okay, something like that. Okay, so just actually you have to save this first, guys. Okay, you have to save this first, and later you have to do this. Okay, so that type of the experience you don't, that type of experience you will get from here, so that later you don't need to waste your time. Okay, so just saving content here. Okay, it's now successfully done, and later, for example, okay, this is here. Okay, now if you want to go ahead with add worksheets, so you can go ahead with that. Okay, so CPA, okay, whatever, you can do that, something like that. You can add this, you can put your questions, whatever, you can put your options, and you can just save it. Okay, same as I did before. So it's going to save or not. So let me show you. Actually, it will take too much time, guys. Right now, it's still in working phase, but later you will see. Actually, it will start working at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, guys. So I'm just saving this content. Eastern Standard Time, 11 a.m. Okay, so I'm just showing you before that. So, for example, I'm just going to product overview. I did all these things, okay, from my side. So I'm just clicking on here, and let's try to watch what is here. CPA marketing course, for example, it's live. Okay, so for example, I want to see this one. So preview, where is this preview option? I think it's added or not, but you will learn all these things. I'm just showing you. For example, I edit this. Okay, here is preview option. Okay, guys, so that's how actually you need to understand each and everything. Okay, so I think this option is not added. I don't know where I missed to click. Okay, but you will learn each and everything. So that's how you have to see this one. You can add each modules and all. Maybe I added some lessons. Okay, but I needed to add some modules, but I did wrong that time, just for showing you. Okay, because you have to take experience. Okay, later you will do, when you will be perfect in this way, when you will be familiar with this, you will do each and everything perfect. Okay, even I'm not familiar with this. Okay, so I just created new lesson. Okay, instead of new module, so that is why that new lesson gone somewhere else. Okay, so you have to do this new module. Okay, so when you create some more new module, yeah, yes, from here you can create, and you can change some images, you can put new name. Okay, and that is how you can add so many modules inside one product, and that is how your website will look like. Okay, so this is complete things, coupon and each and everything you can put. Coupon just for reducing your price and something like that. I already shown you in different websites, but leave this time and some membership, and actually all things will be same, guys. Okay, all things will be same. Okay, this is theme and page manager. You can actually select for you. Okay, so much. See, this is some done for you content page, landing pages. Okay, so you have some thank you pages and something like that also. So you don't need to go for creating some thank you page, some privacy policy and something like that. Okay, when you will go inside this, you will search something for that, so you will get. Okay, so actually right now I cannot show you each and everything because it will take too much time, but for you this all things will be available. Okay, this is basic version. Okay, lower than your front end even. Okay, this is basic version. Okay, so just because of that I'm not able to showing you each and everything, but you can relate. Okay, so this will be landing page. Okay, you can see this type your page will look like, your page or your website will look like. Okay, so how many websites and all these things you can create? Actually, you have to just connect your domain. You will learn inside your academy, inside your tutorials. Okay, after connecting domain, this complete member access area will be for you. Okay, so you can customize from here so that you can play around with that. Okay, so I'm not doing with all these things because in many tutorials I already shown you all these things, because it's not even tough and difficult things. So you can go ahead with this. Okay, guys, so this is member manager. So you can add some managers and you can leave some members for your working. Okay, so import members, you can just invite them by using your email and something like that. So right now I don't have CSV file of the different email IDs and all these things, so you can just download and you can, when you import them, so it will directly invite them all in one click. Okay, so right now I don't have that. So select your product. For example, right now where is my course here? Okay, so it may be my course is not added perfectly, but just you can do that all these things. I don't have any CSV file, but let me try if I will have something. So I will try it for you. CSV file. Hmm. So, okay, guys, right now I don't have CSV file, but okay, just leaving this thing, guys. Okay, so I hope you got this thing. Okay, you can send them emails, you can import those members, so they will be member, and you can provide limited access to those people and all. You can also remove them by using this. Okay, you can also import some monitors, something like that, so it will be look like monitors and something like that. Okay, with limited access, and you can just complete all these things. Okay, guys, so I discussed each and everything. Email setting means you have to just create pre-made templates. Okay, something like this you can see. Okay, and it will be done from automation, because see, these are some already done for you. Okay, right now I'm not able to show you. See, I'm able to show you right now. That's how all things will be done for you, each and everything. Okay, guys, something like this directly you can send to your members, which will purchase your this complete course from you, and all these things you can change from here. Okay, all these things. Okay, how much access you want to provide them, how much access you want to provide your working partners and members who bought your courses and purchased something from you. Okay, so you can just limit your access, something like that. So this will be for that. So that's how, guys, you can do all these things. Okay, I go on here, site smart membership. Smart product will be same. Okay, which I already shown you, like course and something like that you can create. Okay, let me click on this so that you will be able to understand all these things. Okay, so this is just showing you analytics, something like that, which you created before, but right now there is no data, but it will be same like this. Okay, membership, because you created some product. Okay, I created member access area, some digital product, some physical product. You can do the same, so it will look here. Now this is a smart funnel, so you have to just create funnel. So right now it will take too much time. I'm just going fast with this. See, funnel type, funnel template, all these things, sales funnel, lead generation funnel, all these things available, guys. So I'm just going for lead generation funnel for you. Example, page one, landing page, content page. Okay, you can actually these are done for you guys. Okay, you don't think you have to create all these things and all. No, it's all I have to done. You can go outside and you can make some changes. You can play around with them. Okay, because I already shown you before inside other feature. You can go and you can change this. Okay, so I'm just going to next. Funnel template you can choose. Okay, it should be some, yes, there are some pre-made. So this one is I'm going to select. Okay, I don't have preview time, so selecting, and from from here I'm going to next. Funnel name you can give it any name. Okay, funnel slug and some, and you can just create from here, guys. Okay, so that's how you will create, but in tutorial area you will learn each and everything. Okay, what name I given, I don't know quickly what name I given to my I given the name to my funnel, but okay, no worry. Okay, it is taking time, guys. Okay, again, but no worry. We should go ahead because it will take too much time. Let it load, guys. Let it load. So it will be done from my side, guys. Actually, okay, it is taking time, but it will be done, guys. Okay, so I'm just closing this one right now because we should go ahead right now, guys. Okay, so I'm just closing this one. Okay, guys, so get back again on this page. So these are some pre-made courses. This is my CPA marketing course, which I already created in front of you. This is in a smart membership site. And this is products, which I already shown you. This is a smart membership. This is products. So both these things are same. Okay, because if you go with this, you can see some analytics and something like that. And if you have any option to create product, so you can go ahead and you can create just clicking on this type of button in this option too. Okay, this option. Funnels I already showed you right now. This is dashboard, and you will see one more option, which is Smart Academy. I already told you where you will get all type of the tutorials to learn all this complete system. Okay, and you can just put some your autoresponders from here. You can do some integrations so that some email marketing and something like that you can do, because you have to send so much emails. You need to send so much emails in this product, so you can do some integration. For example, I'm just clicking on this, put your name, for example, putting as this one provider. Okay, so you can now see here, guys. Okay, you can see get response available, all things are available, guys. Okay, which one is simply and easy for you guys? See, okay, PayPal is type pedal, which I already shown you before, but I didn't get this type of option. When you add this all these things, when you integrate all these things, you will be able to get option for PayPal, for Stripe, to check out for your members. Okay, so I'm not going with this much deeper because I need to put my PayPal and all this type of the information. So I hope you got all these things. Okay, I hope you got this idea, and now you will do all these things. Okay, so this is complete from my side, guys. Okay, this is very good thing. You can create member access area. Okay, I came with without, actually I came without practice. That's why I left something. That's why maybe I missed something, but I tried to clear you each and everything. Okay, so now you will be able to understand this product. This is going to fit for you or not. Okay, guys, so this is my page. Now you can see when you will go through the link below, you will see this page. You can click any of the button. Now this all information I put here. This is some bonuses. Now this is product creation bootcamp, because if you don't know to create products, so what will be the use of this member video? Okay, this product, but obviously you don't, obviously you know each and everything, but no worry, this is product creation bootcamp will help you to grow more. It will provide you some more speed. Now this is again second thing, which is membership site blueprint. Again, it will help you more so that you will increase your revenue. Actually, you will get more perfection, and you will get some more 10x 100x speed into your work. Okay, so it will be something like that. Okay, guys, so thank you to look at this review. Okay, we will meet with another time. Okay, with a good masterpiece. Till then, bye.